Africa is a continent rich in agricultural resources, yet a significant portion of its food goes to waste due to lack of proper processing and packaging. What if we told you that starting a food processing and packaging business could change that, while making you a fortune? In this video, we will take you through everything you need to know about starting a professional food processing and packaging business in Africa. We'll talk about the demand for processed foods, the right business strategy, and the machines you need, along with their costs. Stay with us till the end to learn how to make this a profitable business. But first, we would like to ask you to subscribe to our fantastic channel so you don't miss better upcoming business video ideas we preparing just for you. Africa has a growing population, expected to reach 2.5 billion by 2050, and food demand is increasing rapidly. However, about 40% of harvested food is lost due to poor preservation and lack of proper processing facilities. Processing raw materials like chili, onion, tomato, mango, and plantain into high-value packaged products can create jobs and increase food security. A ton of fresh tomatoes sells for $300, while the same tomatoes, processed into paste and packaged well, can generate over $1,500. There is an urgent market need for well-packaged, long shelf-life food products in Africa. Supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, and export markets are looking for hygienically processed and professionally packaged foods. Revenue. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa have strong demand for processed and packaged foods. There's also a huge export market to Europe and the US due to the high demand for organic African food products. What products should you focus on? Let's look at highly profitable processed food items: chili powder and chili sauce, onion powder, tomato paste, plantain chips, mango pulp and juice, peanut butter spices, ginger, garlic, etc., dried fruits, pineapple, mango, banana. Start by identifying a reliable supply of fresh produce from farmers or wholesalers. Form partnerships with local cooperatives. Your processing method depends on the type of product. For example, tomatoes need blanching, pulping, and concentration before being packaged as a paste. Chilies are dried and ground into powder or processed into sauce. Onions are dried and ground into powder. Plantains are peeled, sliced, fried, and packaged as chips. Your packaging should be airtight to prevent spoilage, eye-catching to attract buyers, durable for export markets. Proper labeling with nutrition facts, barcode, and expiry date is essential to meet market standards. Let's now talk about the essential machines you need for each type of food processing. Tomato processing machines. Tomato pulping machine, $2,500 to $5,000. Vacuum evaporator for paste concentration, $8,000 to $15,000. Tomato paste filling and packaging machine, $3,000 to $10,000. Total cost to set up, $15,000 to $30,000. Chili powder and sauce machines. Chili dryer machine, $1,500 to $3,000. Chili grinding machine, $2,000 to $4,500. Sauce processing line, boiling, blending, filling, to $5,000 to $12,000. Total cost to set up, $8,500 to $20,000. Onion powder machines, onion slicing machine, $1,500 to $3,000. Dryer, solar electric, $2,000 to $5,000. Grinding machine, $2,000 to $4,500. Total cost to set up, $6,000 to $12,500. Plantain chips machines, peeling machine, $2,000 to $4,500. $4,000 slicing machine, $1,500. $3,000 deep frying machine, $3,000, $6,500 packaging machine, $3,000 to $7,000. Total cost to set up, $10,000 to $20,000. Packaging machines for all products. Vacuum sealing machine, $1,500. 3,500 pouch filling and sealing machine, 3,000. 8,000 bottle filling and capping machine, 4,000. 10,000. To succeed in food processing, you need strong marketing strategies. Here's how to sell your products. Supermarkets and grocery stores partner with local retailers. Export market. Meet international standards for export to Europe, US, and Asia. Online sales. Use Instagram, Facebook, and Jumia for direct-to-consumer sales. Restaurants and hotels. Supply bulk orders to major food service businesses. Branding and packaging. Make your packaging attractive and professional to stand out. 2. Expand product variety and value addition. Instead of just selling raw processed food, create ready-to-eat or convenience-focused products. Example: if you process tomatoes, don't just package fresh tomatoes. Sell tomato paste, puree, or dried tomatoes. If you process chilies, offer chili powder, chili flakes, and chili oil. Combo packs. Offer bundled products, e.g., a combo pack of chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder for home cooking. 3. Target supermarkets and export markets. Get contracts with major supermarket chains, hotels, and restaurants that need steady supplies of packaged food. Look at export opportunities by meeting international food safety and packaging standards. 4. Reduce costs and increase profit margins. Bulk sourcing of raw materials directly from farmers reduces costs. Use efficient packaging machines to minimize waste and speed up production. Use local materials for packaging to reduce import costs. 5. Create a strong brand and digital marketing presence. Invest in a professional brand identity with eye-catching labels and a great story. Use social media, influencer marketing, and online ads to promote your packaged food. Partner with e-commerce platforms to sell your products online. 6. Offer private label packaging. Package food for other brands or startups under their labels. This allows you to make money from multiple clients. 7. Add subscription and delivery services. Introduce a subscription model where customers receive their packaged food regularly. Offer doorstep delivery for bulk or retail customers. 8. Leverage government grants and business loans. Take advantage of African government programs that fund agribusiness and food processing. Would you like a detailed breakdown of machines needed or specific product ideas to focus on? Invest in high-efficiency packaging machines. Investing in semi-automatic or fully automatic packaging machines can help you package food faster, reduce labor costs, and improve the consistency of your products. Vacuum packaging machines. Increases shelf life for dry food like flour, spices, and nuts. Sealing machines. Essential for processed foods like chili powder, tomato paste, and fruit juice. Filling machines. Used for liquid products like honey, juice, and chili sauce. Labeling machines. Give your brand a professional touch and improve market appeal. By increasing packaging speed and reducing wastage, you can process more products daily and increase revenue. 2. Offer custom and private label packaging. A huge opportunity in Africa is offering private label packaging services to other food businesses. Many small brands and supermarkets don't have their own processing and packaging units. Partner with startups, restaurants, and supermarkets to package their products under their brand name. Offer customized packaging solutions for special markets like organic food, baby food, or fitness-focused products. This creates multiple revenue streams by allowing you to earn from various businesses without relying solely on your own brand. 3. Add value to raw products. Instead of just packaging raw products, process them into higher-value goods. Tomatoes, tomato paste, puree, ketchup, sun-dried tomatoes, chilies, chili powder, flakes, chili oil, chili sauce, onions, onion powder, dried onion flakes, mangoes, mango juice, dried mango slices, plantains, plantain flour, plantain chips. By adding value, you increase your selling price and profit margins, reduce raw material and production costs. Buy raw materials in bulk directly from farmers to avoid middlemen and cut costs. Optimize packaging materials by using cost-effective, eco-friendly alternatives like craft paper or biodegradable plastic. Reduce electricity costs by using solar-powered processing machines where possible. 5. Build strategic distribution channels. To sell more, you need strong market access. Supermarkets and retail stores. Get contracts with major stores to stock your packaged food. Export markets. Process and package products for export to Europe, the USA, or neighboring African countries. Online sales and e-commerce. Use Jumia, Kilimall, or your own website to sell directly to customers. Wholesalers and bulk buyers. Sell to hotels, restaurants, and catering services that buy in large quantities. 6. Create unique and attractive packaging designs. Use eye-catching and informative packaging to stand out on the shelves. Offer resealable packaging to improve convenience and freshness. Consider biodegradable or recyclable packaging, which appeals to eco-conscious consumers and can help you access premium markets. Starting a professional food processing and packaging business in Africa is highly profitable. With the right machines, business strategy, and marketing, you can turn raw agricultural produce into high-value packaged products. What are you waiting for? Start today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more business insights.